Hi, everyone. Hope you have a good day. I'm Gleb from Ton Studio. And previous speakers discussed how the ecosystem is thriving and discussed about existing successful projects. And now I'm going to tell you how to turn your new, big, and bold idea into a hit on the Ton blockchain, how Ton Studio supports the projects on their way to a successful application. Well, at Ton Studio, we help to create and deploy decentralized applications. We help to create smart contracts. And we help with access to millions audience with organic traffic from Telegram Center. And also, we streamline developer experience in the ecosystem with documentation, support. Yeah, and how we help? What the challenges can face the developers without Ton Studio? Well, first of all, high gas consumption with their smart contracts, complex development of the new smart contracts, and complex onboarding to the core language on the Ton blockchain. Also, difficulty with attracting new audience and searching for new channels to scale the existing audience and attract audience to their projects. And also some hurdles with the exploring new technologies through documentation. And here we help. We came to help from Ton Studio with all the tools you need. First of all, the TACT. It's a smart contract language, cost-effective, very simple for the project and developers to onboard. Then we have Telegram App Center, the biggest marketplace of the mini apps in the Telegram ecosystem and Ton ecosystem with instant user reach and organic user acquisition. Then we have documents and education, like one-step knowledge to the exploring the opportunities of the ecosystem for developers. And of course, some infrastructure tooling, which improves the developer experience and make it seamless. And let's discuss step by step how we help with developers onboarding and tech support. Well, we provide faster partner integrations. For the top tier partners, we provide problem solving with the most crucial and most complex technical questions. Our team is super capable to help with the smart contract development and with exploring the opportunities of Ton blockchain. We also support like the toughest challenges, like from routine troubleshooting to like some technical infrastructure questions. We came here for help. And also, we help with some advanced integrations, like building a single and agile support service for the developers in the ecosystem. Next step is infrastructure and developer experience. So we help here with tooling. For example, we have a free CDN hosting for the mini apps. So you can deploy your mini app, your static files to our hosting, and it will be available across the world in blazing fast speed. No need to figure out the hosting. We also help to improve the Telegram apps SDK. We provide TypeScript library, which improves developer experience and the deployment speed of your applications to the production. We also provide UI libraries, which improves the speed where you can prototype your app and launch an MVPs. And also, with the Telegram Center, once again, we provide low-cost user acquisition approach and sometimes even like free of charge approach to enter like hundreds of thousands of audience and quality audience within Telegram. Yeah, and here it comes with TACT. Once again, TACT is a simple, very efficient for onboarding smart contract language for the Ton ecosystem. Here's the example of the FunC. FunC is a core language for the Ton ecosystem. It's a high-level language, very domain-specific, C-like language, statically typed. Sometimes it's quite tricky and it requires significant developer experience to onboard and start writing smart contracts on the FunC. And let's see how the TACT smart contract example looks like. And TACT is focused on efficiency and simple and easy onboarding and starting the development for the ecosystem, for the smart contracts on the Ton blockchain. And at this point, the number of smart contracts deployed to the mainnet written on the TACT language is increasing. At this point, it's like 33% of all the smart contracts deployed to the mainnet are already created with the help of a TACT. Yeah, and with a recent major release, 1.6, TACT achieved significant improvement on the gas consumption. And with example, with some reference smart contracts, as a fungible token contract, for example, it provides much more efficient gas consumption than core language of the Tom blockchain, much more efficient than FANCI. And we have a case study with a pixel swap DEX. This is the first DEX written on the TACT smart contract language. And with just simple update from version 1.5 to version 1.6, gas consumption was reduced 3 times. And it's simple as just one click. You just redeploy your project, rebuild with a new version, no single line of code required. You just update the version of the TACT, and it improves the gas consumption. And the ultimate goal for the TACT language is to be equal on a gas consumption with the core Tom blockchain languages by this June. And, well, your team started created a decentralized application on Tom blockchain. They created a UI. They created the smart contract and deployed it on the mainnet. And now it's time to start the user acquisition. And here we come to help. We come to help with the Telegram Center. So let's discuss recent numbers. In this year only, we had like 6 million unique users over time. And this year, we helped to deliver 34 million users to the different applications within the ecosystem, and all they were launched from the Telegram Center. And with our new initiatives to engage users, we have 1.5 million wallets connected to the Telegram Center. And how our marketing magic works? Well, we help projects attract audience through engagement initiatives like streaks, which we require users to launch apps daily to achieve rewards. Then we do collaborations with the Tom-based project with the good traction, and it requires posts in our trending apps channel with 6.5 million subscribers. It requires more complex tasks with some much more advanced action from users that they need to perform transactions within applications. And here how we achieve this low-cost user acquisition approach. And we have not only like regular audience, they have really good quality audience spread across the world. Significant amount of audience is located in Europe. We have like almost 70% from the United States. And this helps to deliver audience with the payments, who can pay within applications, who can deliver key actions within applications within our collaborations. Yeah, and here's some recent examples on the applications who receive traffic from Telegram App Center. It's quite decent numbers, and the project received all this traffic like free of charge, because our goal to help our ecosystem thrive and to help the projects get their audience and increase their metrics, increase their revenue, and like increase the RPU. Let's discuss, for example, like the case with the EVA lending protocol. During our collaboration, more than 650,000 impressions across socials were delivered to a project. Almost 80,000 participants took part in this collaboration, in this task. And this created, like in just 1 week, 1,000 on-chain transactions in lending protocol, and keep growing because it's like ongoing collaboration. Next project is the Buzzit. As an entertainment project, of course, it acquires much more audience. And like we had 1 million participants in our integration with the Buzzit in Telegram Center. It created almost 30,000 new subscribers for their channel and increased the daily active audience in the time of collaboration from 200,000 to 600,000 users in a daily basis. Yeah, and the last but not the least example, it's Satoshi game. It's a game about mining on Telegram Center and Tom blockchain. We have them to get 100,000 participants, and more than 8,000 wallets were added to their application. And they completely sold out the ISIC, which was created specifically for Telegram Center. So I would love to outline that here at OnStudio, our goal is to streamline developers' experience, streamline the founders' experience, help to create thriving projects built from the biggest and bold ideas on the Tom blockchain. So feel free to reach us, check our website, check out the toolings. Hope your next big idea would be great success on Tom. Thank you so much.